So my name is Michaela Renwick. I'm a junior at Temple University and I work for the Office of Leadership Development.
It's amazing.
So I wanted to join the Lead Ambassador internship because I love doing workshops. I love speaking in front of people, and I really just love engaging with my peers to just get to like a better purpose of what we want to do at the end of the workshop.
You'll never take that from me.
So I would tell students to join like Lead Ambassadors simply because it's a great experience and you meet a lot of people. You're also able to better your leadership development skills, and you're also being able to speak in front of people. Public speaking is a very big thing that we all should learn and know how to do, and this position helps you do that, and you're also doing it in front of your peers, so who's not better to practice on?
I'm a killer, I know I'm wrong.
Personally, for me, would be the training process that we have to do the semester before you start becoming a lead ambassador. Me and my peers who were doing the practicing workshops together and just practicing materials together, we really enjoyed it, and we also got a lot from it. And it wasn't like one of those like you sit down for hours and you're being talked to. We really engaged and did a lot of activities. That was probably my favorite experience about this so far.
So amazing, so amazing.
I would describe the culture as loving and friendly and warm because everyone is so welcome. Although Office of Leadership Development is separated into into different categories of what you do in the office, we all know each other, we all work together, and it's just a family in the end.
Never gave in, never
I would just say that if you're interested and really want to do workshops, or you're interested in just developing your leadership skills, definitely look at all the positions Office of Leadership Development has to offer.
My reign is as far as your eyes can see. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing.